Guys, we are in our master bathroom today. Nobody comes in here. It's like upstairs in the corner of our house and it's disgusting. I literally have not cleaned this bathroom. I don't even remember the last time. Like it's really bad and it's really disgusting. I just want to point out that my house, the rest of my house does not look like this. I'm very, what's the word? Particular about everything being like really clean all the time. In this room, because it's upstairs in the corner, nobody ever comes in here except Joshua and I. It just gets completely neglected. It's gotten to the point, I literally don't even know where my deodorant is. I don't even have any on because I couldn't even find it this morning. Everything is everywhere, so I decided it is time to get all the junk out of this bathroom and do a super deep clean, and I thought might as well share it with you guys, give you guys a little cleaning motivation. I love watching these videos. They're kind of addicting to watch on YouTube. So let me know if you guys enjoy this type of video. I definitely have a lot of other places I can deep clean in my house as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, get started. I'm gonna get everything off of the counter, everything over here out of the bathtub. I mean, we have stuff everywhere. So I'm gonna start removing all that stuff, and then after that, I'll just start going over everything and really cleaning it, and then bring things back in and really organize it. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have any tips for cleaning or organizing, leave it down in the comments as well. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's go ahead and really get into this.
I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down.
I pretty much have at least the mirror and the counter cleaned off pretty well. I'm not going to get to the drawers or anything until I get all of this stuff cleared out. So basically I'm just trying to get everything cleared out of here and wiped down before I bring anything back in. So I do have a lot of things that need to go back up on, like this vanity and stuff, but I'm not going to do that till everything's actually clean. And I do have to say, we do eventually want to remodel this bathroom. It's just kind of like last on our list right now since we're remodeling so many other things in our house. So yeah, I'm gonna get on to this part over here and the time lapse begins.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul. No one else. Let you down. I'm yours, and you're free.
products sitting out. But besides that, the tub, and then let me see if I can turn this tripod. And then the vanity, all look pretty good. Now on to the very, very disgusting part, which is over here. Behind the door is our toilet, which I'll clean. And then, sorry guys, I have this humongous tripod that I'm trying to carry around. And then the shower, which I actually don't even use the shower. I shower in the other bathroom because the shower is just kind of small. And because we have a bathroom like right outside of our bedroom too, Joshua and I just each get our own shower, I guess. Guys, I didn't understand that in these clean with me videos, like, honestly, I am like dripping sweat. I had to put my hair up in a ponytail. I'm getting really gross. The armpits, still couldn't even find the deodorant. I don't even know where it is. But these I recently picked up. They're bathroom flushable wipes. I use these on our toilets now and it makes it so much less disgusting. Also, I got this toilet bowl cleaner. It looks like this. You just attach the little flushable thing to the end and then you can flush it down the toilet, which that's super nice because I really hate dealing with all that stuff. On top of all this, the fact that I have like 3 toilet bowl cleaners just sitting over here and my toilet is dirty, it's like, I don't think it's necessary. There's so much dust back here, but this doesn't even get used. This is our old toilet bowl cleaners, which they're not flushable, so I'll put that in a different bathroom probably, because I really like using this one now.
I've been trying to find my way. Take me by the hand and let's go find our own space. Somewhere in between you and me, it's a piece of magic that we need to release. Ooh, and now you're looking for a good time.
I feel like I have everything in here pretty well clean, like the deep clean, like scrubbing and everything. So now, before I do the floors, I'm going to go through all of these cabinets. That's what's gonna get me. I actually do need to wipe them down first, but I need to go through. I picked up some organizers and I'm gonna try to organize them a little bit. This is a much bigger job than I thought. I'm sweating. I keep saying I'm sweating, but it's taking me a while. I don't know why it's taking so long. Probably just because I've put it off for so long doing this. So I'm gonna try to keep this up a little more often than just cleaning it like once a year.
Take a chance and me. And do you wanna get the mood right? I think you should take a chance and me. 'Cause I've been on my way. I've been on my way for a long, long time. You've been on your way. You've been on your way for all your life.
So I literally just dumped everything that was in this drawer on the floor. It's a complete disaster now. So I'm probably just gonna throw the majority of the things that were in this drawer away because I mean, I found 4 deodorants, so that was a plus. I'm gonna show you guys these little organizers. I just picked these up at my grocery store, Meijer, today, but I'm sure you can get these on Amazon or something. I'll try to link some organizers similar down below. But before I start putting anything back in this drawer, I'm gonna use these organizers. I'm also gonna use them in Joshua's drawers over here. I didn't really need them for this cabinet because this already has a basket with all my hair products in it. And then this bottom drawer just has like all my irons and things, so I didn't really need any organizers for that either. So I got a bunch of different sizes. I really didn't know what I was gonna need. I just started grabbing stuff, so if I have too much, I'll probably just take some of it back. But I got some real small ones. Thought these would be a good size, and then I also got a few of these larger ones too. So we'll see how I end up organizing, and I'll show you guys after. And I cannot wait to get this floor clean. It's filthy. I'm gonna wait till I get everything else done. Not gonna jump the gun on that one. It's feeling like the never-ending day of cleaning, but I've got the drawers pretty well organized. I did that. There's nothing really in here. I thought if I run into some stuff, I'll throw it in there. And then we've got that all reorganized. Everything. I mean, Joshua's gonna be so proud of me when he sees all of this. So yeah, pretty much got a place for everything. This drawer, I mean, I'm really proud of this drawer. Look at all my charcoal razors too. I have so many of them. But yeah, and then this is like where I keep all my hair products, feminine things. So now I'm gonna start adding things back to the counter and then put some things back over here that I need to. So everything that I bring back in, I'm gonna make sure that it's all wiped off and everything so it's all clean when I bring it in. So now I'm gonna get started with that. Another couple of things that I picked up today were these little glass jars. I got them when I was getting like the organization stuff for the drawers. So I thought these would be really great to put like Epsom salt in and little bath bombs. And I thought it would just look really pretty next to the tub. We probably will not be renovating this bathroom for a while, so I thought might as well just try to make it look as pretty as I can for now.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby. No one else. Yeah. Let you down. Let you down.
It's been a long day. I'm finally done cleaning the bathroom. So I told Joshua I'm definitely gonna keep up on this so I don't have to do a humongous deep clean like this. But I'll show you guys what I did. Come on in. And this is Joshua's first time kind of seeing everything too.
Wow.
I'll show you guys my favorite part. It's like the bathtub area right here. I just feel like it looks a little prettier. I bought that body wash when I was over at the store today too. And then These 2 little jars over here with the Epsom salt and the bath bombs, that's my absolute favorite part of the bathroom now. Like, it just makes me want to take a bath. I normally don't really have that feeling. I was kind of just wanting to rip this sucker out and put a humongous shower in here. So onto the countertop, I unfortunately have a ton of stuff. If you see Joshua's side over here, I've smushed this over to his side, but he literally has soap and a toothbrush. I have this entire tray with all of my stuff that I use on my face every day, my contact stuff. And if you guys didn't notice, in this bathroom, we don't actually have like a closet. So that kind of stinks, like a linen closet to actually put things in. We just have our drawers. So I think if we end up remodeling this bathroom ever, we probably would want to put a little closet so we just have a little more storage space. But this is what I keep my makeup in. This is from Amazon. And I'll try to link a few random things down below, like these, and then the little organizers that I did in the drawers, because I feel like those are pretty awesome. Okay, are you ready? This is for you, Joshua. I'm ready for you to see the drawers, okay? This is the first one I worked on. I just basically kind of reorganized and threw away any old products that I don't use anymore, brushes and stuff. Down here, this is just all my irons. There's not really too much I can do with that. This drawer I feel like is much more organized.
Wow.
Finally found all my deodorants. These are all my hair ties, tinkle razors, just random little things in here. Now you ready for your drawers?
Yes, please.
This bottom drawer, I found this mirror we got from IKEA a while ago. We could hang this up on the wall somewhere. But just extra cotton balls. Some extra of these if you ever want to put anything in there, because you really don't have as much stuff as I do. And this drawer,
wow.
What do you think?
That's a lot better than the cluttered mess I had.
Yep.
What am I gonna do with all this stuff now that I know where it is?
Well, I hope that you put it back where it belongs. That's what I hope.
Yes, after seeing all your hard work, I will make sure to put it all where it needs to go.
Thank you. And then, guys, I think this little container is really cute. We've actually had this for a while, but I got it at Target a while ago, and it's really nice for the bathroom. Ooh, he's sneaking a peek. This is just overflow. So it's just there's some random cleaning products, extra Epsom salt, contact solution, and then I do have one little tray in here that just has some samples of little things in there. And then
I clean the toilets every week, so.
Oh yeah, that's one thing that we don't go without cleaning the toilet in here. Just
and I wipe down my shower.
Just everything else we don't clean. Yeah, so I did clean out your shower. I put a new soap in there.
The Head and Shoulder?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
And then obviously cleaned the toilets, and I took all of our toilet cleaners out of here and just have one now. Before we had 3 for some reason. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Alright guys, so now that our bathroom is all clean, I feel so much better. I feel I just feel more organized in my mind when my house is clean. So if you guys enjoyed this type of video, please make sure to click the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what you would like me to clean next. If you guys like these videos, or just what kind of videos you would like to see next here on my channel. I appreciate you guys watching so much. Hope you're having an amazing week, and I will see you really soon in my next video.